Hello viewers, we're back again with the Echo SRM-1501 trimmer. I'm in disbelief that this does not work because everything else, all the tools, all the other pieces of equipment that I got from the location where this came from worked. Everything was kept in very good condition and everything worked. And I just found it very hard to believe that this was an exception. You know, it looks like it's in very good condition, has been taken care of over the years. So I was doing a more in-depth visual inspection of this thing to see if there was anything obvious before I invoked the assistance of Incandescent Ed. And I noticed this. That is the throttle cable. And it's not working. So this is supposed to be like this. So I don't know if that's going to impact the operation. I know some of the other trimmers I've used over the years do start better when the throttle is pulled, which of course it could not have been with the thing disconnected like that. So let's go ahead and start this up, or attempt to start it up again, and see if we get different results. I have a feeling it's going to work now. And unfortunately we're going to have to do this inside because it's very late at night, so I'll go ahead and switch on the exhaust fan and let's see what we get. So I'm going to start it, I'll put the choke on and I'm going to put it to full throttle and let's see what happens. See, it sounds like it's going to go now. It works. So there you go. Just a simple issue with the throttle cable being disconnected. I don't know if that was intentional or not. It could have been removed for safety purposes and storage. I have no idea. But ultimately, this is working just fine. Sounds like the idle might be a touch slow. I actually like the idle to be pretty fast. I don't like the string to stop. I like the string to still be spinning at idle, but that's just a matter of personal preference.